Yeah. Blessed love. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You know, say Israel King is Israel God. Yeah. I'm going to tell you about two East Kingston. Dan, who would have replaced Copper if it wasn't for the fact that Anthony Brown and George Flash was selected for a certain role, which they chose to refuse. You get me? I say? HOPPER and SOYO. HOPPER and SOYO. See? Which, in enough regards, I'm hear them. You know, see? Because let me give you my first experience with the man them as a youth. The man they walk with them thing in them hand, and the man they hunting them used to have where, you know, see, big old rusty 45. That, yeah, because nothing couldn't big so them time. The younger 45 could have big. So, you know, see, the man they walk with them things in them hand. Then them come in a Warwick Isle, come reason with Tony Brown and George Flash. Not even George Flash so much, but Tony Brown. You know, see, I don't know why ever, whether, I don't know. You know, see, but yeah. And I saw the man that step on. Every man from everywhere in East Kingston respect that man there. You know, see, the man there, yeah. You know, see, the man there immune diplomatically right across the East. You know, see, my man personal experiences up and out was last one day. As I look at you, mother send me go catch water. You know, we have to go catch water apart down a shanty town. Due to the geographical part of Warwick Hill where I grew up. Seeing, I man have to go catch water in a shanty town. Shanty town I man live but up in a Warwick Hill. You know, see. So I man catch my water and I come back now when you have this little youth here. You know, all a teenager at them time, the aspiring stepper. You know, see, because the hot stepper them was quite vibrant and well popular and well known, well powerful and untouchable at them time. You get what I say? So, only for you want to be them. You know, see it? Including myself. See it? See it? So, Prince now used to call himself Special Khan. See? I'm on a part, Special Khan did go up on a move and get him foot broke. See, I remember what they broke him foot at the time. You know, see, you know, somebody will comment and fill the gap them. See, especially can get him foot broke for some reason. I'm up on crutches. See, and him foot in a cast and thing like that. And you don't know the whole area and the whole thing tense because it was late 70s. You know, see, coming up to the 80s. See, and right through the late 70s, they did have this political tension going on in Kingston, Jamaica. See, I'm a now go to as a youth. Pick up a juice box, you know, see it, and, you know, wrap it up nicely and thing and put it down and drop a big stone pan it, because as a youth, you can't step on it hard enough for it bust loud enough, you know, see it, and the impact that way you want to create as loud as an explosion as possible, you know, see it, and with the air exploding out of the seal carton box, now, it creates a little explosion, you know, and if you do it loud enough, and close enough to somebody, it will sound like a gunshot, just like a firecracker type of thing. You get what I say? So I man do that now with the juice box and drop the big stone pan it, bloom as a little youth and it bust and Special Khan frightened style. You know, that wasn't the intent. The intent was amongst my colleagues, frighten my colleagues. We never intend for frighten a big man standing wherever, make him jump, you know, himself, you know, and everybody ever had a big man see them jump and frighten from a little box, and you know, a big laughing right there and mustering that now. You know, see, yo, Special Khan get vexed and up come over there on him crutch. And shot me a box as a little youth. Me I tell you, probably just in the region of 6 ago. You see, I'm like a brethren still alive right now. My brother, can't call him brethren neither, you know, you see who you are. Mr. Yeah, you know, see, I'm like a brethren there, the style man just walk across the road and shot me a box. You know, see, because see my brethren and recognize who my brethren is and know some of my brethren, uncle them and everybody know. We come when we come back, if each one of my brethren, uncle, backs him, him nah no face left. The amount of uncle. And them big and strong and heavy and them man, the danger, the man don't even talk. Much as we take talk. You get me? I say, man shot me a back star. And me a ball I go up the road. And buck up in a HOPPER and Soyo. See, them a come up behind me as a man. Big grown, bigger man than Faith. Both me and Special Can. You know, see it. And cause me a little youth. Special Can about 18, probably about 17, 18. And me about I don't know, 6, 7, or probably less. You know, see, ask me what I'm tell you, what about? I explain to them what go on and things like that, and the man them carry my back go down, there was Special Can there. You know, see, on the coach and ask him, and them go on like, yeah, little boy and them type of thing. It's the amount of box when him get each word where Appanat talk to him. Like, for instance, how can I hear that thing that look how you're big, look how little boy small? How can I, yo, Jano? And as a Jamaican big man, them time they had stepper, than where I come from the old copper element, Ralphie element type of thing. The principle was different. You get what I say? You see the amount of it's come like, more than say every word, but every letter where the man have to talk, Prince have to get a box to that man. Liberty. No, not Liberty. Special Can. Special Can get a box for that, man. Each letter where the man have to talk, man. The man a shot, man stand up because the man powerful, you know. The man wasn't, Appanat wasn't no me in a struck tie, you know. No, the man thick. You know, see. And tell you some man, stand up, there's a little youth, man, and I said, John, no. The man box him like him, like him and my father, like Appanat and my father, you know, when you come on and I say, man, this your son and them thing there. I saw the man a deal with them man, you know, say it. The man have him thing, you know, man, in him waist, him there, and I even hit him and use boxing. You talk about, man. What you talk about, man? And like some man a special youth where the man know my father and a stepper like them or nothing like that. He's just a little youth where he shouldn't violate the laws and the rules and the regulation that certain people immune from the power that be. You can't use because you have certain power. You can't use it against certain people. And that was the principle. And me, and that principle I maintain till all my dying day, long after, regardless of what the youth them want to go on down there with. That principle impact me that day so much that I have to live it even right, you know. You know, see. So big respect to Appanat and Soyo. You know, see. Out of all of this. You know, see, I know I mention Tony Brown and Jack Trust me and them have an extraordinary relationship. You know, see, so I take time come up the line. You know, see, but all due respect, Appanat and Soyo, my love and my admiration and everything who I am today, you know, see, is a reflection or a ripple effect of who you were, or the impression where you made on me as a youth. You know, see, the militancy, the total militancy, you know, see, the selflessness, you know, see, the community representative and everything that you were, my general. You know, see, I'm on salute. Hopefully you might remember that incident and validate the thing. But again, it's a tribute to the icon. I ain't a tribute to dead man. I respect. And I'm not a tribute to dead man, but I love or take the opportunity for some more or say a thing about my living legend them. You get what I say? Enough respect. You know, see it. Yes, I.